If you want to tweet someone on X, formerly Twitter, there are two easy ways to do it, and I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step. Whether you want to reply directly to someone's post or send them a new tweet that tags their username, this guide will show you the fastest way to do it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's start with method 1, which is replying to someone's existing tweet. This is the most common way to tweet at someone when you want to respond publicly to something they posted. First, log into your X account and find the tweet from the person you want to talk to. You can scroll through your feed, search for their account, or visit their profile directly if you already know who you're looking for. Once you find the tweet, look just beneath it for the reply icon. This usually looks like a speech bubble. Click that icon, and a reply box will appear on your screen. Inside that box, you can type your message. One nice thing about replying is that the person's username is already tagged automatically, so X knows exactly who you're responding to. Now type your message clearly and keep it relevant to their post. If you want to get someone's attention in a conversation, this is usually the best method, because it keeps everything attached to the original tweet. When you're done writing your reply, click the blue reply button to post it. Your message will then appear under their tweet, and they'll be able to see it in the conversation thread. Now let's move to method 2, which is sending a new tweet to someone. This is useful if you want to mention a person in a fresh post rather than replying to an existing tweet. On your X homepage, look at the left sidebar and click the Post button, or simply click into the Compose box at the top of your feed if it's visible. To tweet someone this way, start your message with the @ symbol, followed immediately by their username. For example, if their username is Twitter user, you would type @Twitter user. This is what tags them in your post and makes it clear who you're addressing. After that, add a space and continue typing the rest of your message. Remember, X has a character limit, so keep your message short and direct if needed. If you want, you can also add an image, a GIF, or even a poll by using the icons at the bottom of the Compose box. These extra options can help make your post more engaging and get more attention from the person you're tweeting at. Once your message is ready, click the blue Post button in the bottom right corner. That will publish the tweet to your profile, and the tagged user may get notified depending on their settings. This is a simple way to mention someone directly without having to reply to a specific post. So to quickly recap, if you want to tweet someone on X, you can either reply to one of their existing tweets or create a new tweet and mention them with the @ symbol. Both methods are easy, and the best choice depends on whether you want to keep the conversation in a thread or start a new post. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more X and Twitter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.